Hi, Mary.
Hi, I'm ready to open my big gift.
Awesome. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Awesome. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I want this hatchable to be.
Hatchimals.
Hannah and Eli are having a Merry Christmas.
Oh, I hope this big hatchable doesn't go bluey.
This is the most important Christmas present ever from Hannah, Eli, and myself to Mommy.
All right, well, let's see what it is. Ah, Hoover, thank you.
You're
It's
welcome.
what I always wanted.
Now you can do your womanly duties and clean the house even easier than before.
Oh, I hope it works well.
Me too. They're not made in North Canton anymore, so I don't know.
I don't know.
That,
Hoover, thank you.
but wait, there's more.
Oh, what's this?
Look at that beautiful wrapping.
Nice.
It's nothing.
Bags for my Hoover. Thank you.
You're welcome. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Now you better start cleaning after this Christmas mess we made.
A Christmas disaster.
Eli is ready to build Legos.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
You're welcome. Merry Christmas.